Hello guys, welcome to Solutions. So press the subscribe button and bell icon to get more updates on free online courses and course answer. So the guys, in this video we will see more than 20 Udemy courses which are paid one, but we get at free of cost. I will provide you coupon code. That coupon code and course link is available into description. So the guys, let's get started. First course is time management success. Be in control of your time and increase your productivity. The rating of this course is 4.3 and already 13,000 students enrolled for this course. In this course, you will learn how to reduce stress and anxiety that originate from lack of control, organize their day to derive the best possible outcome, spend their time the way they want. This course is free, only 21 hours left at this price, and this course include 1 hour on demand video, 2 article, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At the end, you get certificate of that course, and the coupon code of this course is time 2021. Time 2021. The coupon code and link of course link is given in description. Second course is Learn 3JS using React, build a 3D Tesla workshop 2021. Learn to code 3.js using React step by step. This course is new. Only 5,000 students enrolled for this course and 2 days left at this price. And this course is again free. The coupon code is free /3day, and the coupon code and course link is given into a description. In this course, you will learn 3GS from the ground up, master camera setting and lighting to render the perfect sense, learn about geometry and meshes to create realistic looking objects. This course includes 3.5 hours on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At the end, you get certificate of that course. Next course is data structure in Python, practical implementation of Python data structure to perform complex data analysis, store and retrieve data efficiently. The rating of this course is 5.0 and already 3,600 students enrolled for this course. In this course, you learn importance of Python and how to start working with it, installing the required files to start implementing things, utilize core programming tools such as function and loops, all the basics of Python programming language, use variable and constant to store, retrieve and calculate information. This course is again free, only 2 days left at this price, and this course includes 3 hours on demand video, full lifetime access on a mobile TV. At the end, you get certificate of that course, and the coupon code of this course is Python DS. The next course is Goal Setting Mystery, mastering the art of setting and achieving your goals. In this course, you will learn WH formula to understand important aspect of your life, convert goals into smart goals, how to align your conscious and unconscious goals, identification and prioritization of goals, mindsets to achieve goals. The rating of this course is 4.7 and already 4,000 students enrolled for this course. This course is again free, only 1 day left at this price, and this course includes 1 hour on demand video, full lifetime access, and at the end you get certificate of that course. And the coupon code of this course is GoalNet DU. GoalNet DU. The coupon code and course link is given into description. The next course is the Lean Startup Best Course on Entrepreneurship, turning your idea into unicorn startup and raising investment from VC. This course is again free, only 1 day left at this price, and the rating of this course is 4.3 and already 27,000 students enrolled for this course. In this course, you will learn 3 rules of pilot your idea, scalability, market growth, and investor, different type of startup business model, how to go big and convert any idea into business. This course includes 4.5 hours on demand video, full lifetime access on mobile and TV. At the end, you get certificate of that course. The coupon code and course link of this course is given into description. The remaining courses also given into description. Coupon code, course link, and course name given in description. Please enroll for that course as soon as possible, because in these courses coupon code of these courses may be expired within 1 or 2 days, so enroll for this course as early as possible. Thank you.